For more than 3 decades, the Hubble Space Telescope has stood as one of humanity's most productive scientific instruments, quietly orbiting Earth while transforming our understanding of the universe. Launched in 1990, Hubble was originally designed to peer deep into distant galaxies, measure the expansion of the universe, and study the birth and death of stars. Yet over time, it has proven to be just as valuable closer to home. From planets and moons to asteroids and comets, Hubble has revealed that our own solar system is far more dynamic, active, and surprising than once believed. Many objects within the solar system remain difficult to study up close. Dedicated missions are expensive, rare, and often limited to a single destination. Hubble, with its powerful optics and long operational lifespan, has helped bridge this gap. Though it was never intended as a planetary observatory, it has become one of the most important tools for comparative planetology, allowing scientists to observe changes over years and even decades. These long-term observations have uncovered dramatic events that challenge long-standing assumptions about how planets and smaller bodies behave. Despite its strengths, Hubble does have limitations. One of the most notable is its relatively narrow field of view. This means it cannot photograph extremely large nearby objects, such as Earth's moon, in a single frame. Instead, missions like Lunar Reconnaissance Orbiter, operated by NASA, are better suited for detailed, high-resolution mapping of the lunar surface. However, even with these constraints, Hubble has still made unique and unexpected contributions to lunar science. A striking example came in 2012 during the rare transit of Venus across the Sun. Rather than observing the planet directly, scientists used the Moon as a giant natural mirror. Sunlight passed through Venus's thick atmosphere, reflected off the Moon's surface, and then traveled back to Hubble. By analyzing this altered light, researchers were able to identify the chemical fingerprints of Venus's atmosphere, confirming the dominance of carbon dioxide along with trace gases. This clever experiment did more than deepen our understanding of Venus. It served as a proof of concept for techniques now used to study the atmospheres of exoplanets orbiting distant stars, opening new pathways in the search for habitable worlds. Unlike the Moon, Mars is perfectly sized for Hubble's instruments. From its vantage point, Hubble can capture the entire Martian disk in a single image, something that orbiting spacecraft often cannot achieve due to their low altitude and limited perspective. Over the years, this capability has allowed scientists to build a detailed visual record of Mars's seasonal cycles. Polar ice caps grow and shrink, clouds form and dissipate, and surface features subtly change as dust is redistributed across the planet. One of Hubble's most memorable Martian observations occurred in 2001, when a massive dust storm erupted and rapidly spread until it engulfed the entire planet. For weeks, Mars's surface was almost completely hidden beneath a thick haze. Events like this are more than visually dramatic. They provide critical data for understanding Martian climate and atmospheric dynamics, knowledge that is essential for future robotic missions and eventual human exploration. Hubble has also tracked Phobos, Mars's largest and innermost moon. Phobos orbits so close to Mars that it completes a full circuit in just over 7 hours. This proximity creates intense tidal forces that are slowly dragging the Moon inward. Over tens of millions of years, Phobos is expected either to collide with Mars or to be torn apart, forming a ring around the planet. Observing this gradual process offers scientists a rare glimpse into the long-term evolution of moons and planetary systems. Beyond Mars lies the asteroid belt, a vast region filled with rocky remnants left over from the early solar system. Hubble has played a crucial role in revealing that these objects are far more complex than once imagined. Many asteroids were long thought to be solid chunks of rock, but Hubble observations suggest that a large number are actually rubble piles, loosely held together by weak gravity. One particularly puzzling object observed by Hubble was asteroid 6478 Gault, which unexpectedly developed comet-like tails. This behavior initially baffled astronomers, since asteroids are not supposed to vent gas and dust the way comets do. Further study revealed that the phenomenon was likely caused by the Europa effect, a process in which uneven solar heating gradually alters an asteroid's rotation. As Gault spun faster, surface material was flung into space, creating the illusion of a cometary tail. This discovery highlighted just how fragile many asteroids are, and how subtle forces can dramatically reshape them over time. Hubble has even captured the aftermath of violent asteroid collisions. In one case, an object known as P. 2010A2 displayed an unusual X-shaped pattern of debris. Rather than being an active comet, it was the result of a high-speed impact between two asteroids. The collision sent material scattering in all directions, providing a rare opportunity to study the mechanics of such events and offering clues about how planets formed through countless impacts billions of years ago. Farther out, Jupiter dominates the solar system with its immense gravity. Often described as a cosmic guardian, Jupiter's gravitational influence shapes the orbits of countless asteroids and comets. Its mass alone accounts for a significant fraction of all planetary material orbiting the Sun, making it second only to the Sun itself in influence. Hubble famously documented one of the most dramatic planetary events ever observed, the collision of comet Shoemaker-Levy 9 with Jupiter in 1994. After being torn apart by Jupiter's gravity, the comet's fragments slammed into the planet's atmosphere at tremendous speeds. Towering fireballs erupted, scars larger than Earth appeared in the clouds, and temperatures briefly exceeded those on the surface of the Sun. The event provided a stark reminder of the violent nature of the solar system and underscored Jupiter's role in intercepting potentially dangerous objects before they reach the inner planets. Jupiter's auroras are another spectacle Hubble has studied extensively. Unlike Earth's auroras, which are intermittent and driven mainly by solar storms, Jupiter's auroras are constant and incredibly powerful. Fueled by the planet's intense magnetic field and rapid rotation, these glowing displays offer insight into magnetospheric physics on a scale far beyond anything seen on Earth. Among Jupiter's many moons, Europa has captured special attention. Beneath its cracked icy shell lies a vast subsurface ocean, making it one of the most promising places to search for life beyond Earth. Hubble observations have detected plumes of water vapor erupting from Europa's surface, along with evidence of salts similar to those found in Earth's oceans. These findings suggest that Europa's hidden ocean may contain the basic ingredients necessary for life. Even in the outer reaches of the solar system, Hubble continues to deliver. Since the end of the Cassini mission, Saturn has lacked a dedicated spacecraft, yet Hubble still monitors its storms and atmospheric changes. The telescope has also provided invaluable observations of Uranus and Neptune, revealing seasonal changes, unexpected storms, and even discovering new moons. After more than 34 years in space, Hubble has far exceeded its original mission. Its observations have reshaped planetary science, deepened our understanding of solar system dynamics, and laid the groundwork for future exploration. If it continues to be maintained, Hubble could remain operational well into the next decade, standing as a symbol of scientific perseverance and curiosity. Hubble's greatest legacy may be its reminder that discovery is not a one-time achievement, but an ongoing process. Each new image, each unexpected result, reinforces the idea that the universe is far more complex and fascinating than we ever imagined. And as long as Hubble keeps watching, the solar system will continue to reveal its secrets, one observation at a time.